Hey there, this is Sunny once again, and today I will take you to the exciting world of Micro SaaS. If you have ever dreamt of starting your own businesses but felt overwhelmed by the thought of it, you are in the right place. In this comprehensive video, I will take you to explore 12 innovative Micro SaaS ideas, each tailored to meet specific needs and niches. If you are passionate about fitness, pets, or sustainable living, there is something here for you. So, let's start the explorations. Number 1. Fitness Tracker for Seniors. The app focuses on providing a user-friendly interface with larger fonts and simplified navigations for the elderly people. It could track basic health metrics like steps taken, calories burned, and heart rate. It may also include gentle exercises routines and reminders for meditations in time. You can start from development, a basic mobile app with limited features using no-code or low-code platforms like Bubble or Adalo. These platforms offer drag and drop interfaces. It will allow you to create functional prototypes without coding expertise. As you validate the idea and give the user feedback, you can gradually enhance the app's features and usability. Number 2. Event management for small nonprofits. This platform streamlines event planning processes for small nonprofit organizations. They offer features like event registrations, ticketing, volunteer management, and donor communications. It should be cost-effective and easy to use for organizations with limited resources. You can begin by creating a web-based platform using customizable templates available on the website builders like WordPress or Wix. You can integrate third-party tools like Eventbrite for ticketing and MailChimp for email marketing to minimize development efforts. Focus on solving specific pain points such as simplifying volunteer scheduling to differentiate your platforms and attract users. Number 3. Pet adoption matching. This platform matches prospective pet adopters with shelter animals based on compatibility factors such as lifestyle, housing situations, and pet preferences. It could incorporate a questionnaire for users to input their preferences and use algorithms to suggest suitable matches from participating shelters. Simply, you can start by building a simple web application with a basic questionnaire using tools like Google Forms or Typeform. Use off-the-shelf algorithms or pre-trained machine learning models available through platforms like Google Cloud AI or Microsoft Azure to match users with suitable pets based on their responses. You can partner with local animal shelters to access their pet database and streamline adoptions process. Number 4. Remote team bonding. This suite of virtual team building activities and tools facilitates bonding and collaborating among remote teams. It could include features like virtual icebreakers, team challenges, and video conferencing integrations optimized for team building activities. Start by curating a collection of existing remote team building activities and resources from online sources like blogs, YouTubes, or team building platforms. Compile them into a centralized platform or newsletter and offer subscription-based access to the content. As your user base grows, consider developing custom activities or partnering with facilitators to create exclusive content for your platform. Number 5. Gardening Planner. This app assists users in planning and managing their gardening activities, including plant selections, watering schedules, and pest control tips. It should offer personalized recommendations based on the factors like climate, soil type, and available space. Start by developing a simple mobile app with basic features like a plant database, customizable planting calendar, and gardening tips. Use open source or public domain resources for plant information and gardening advice to minimize content creation efforts. Consider offering premium features such as personalized gardening plans or live consultations with gardening experts as additional revenue streams. Number 6. Language learning for specific professionals. This platform offers language learning resources tailored for professionals in specific industries. Focus on job-specific vocabulary, phrases, and scenarios. It should cater to learners with busy schedules by providing bite-sized lessons and practical exercises relevant to their field. Creating a content library of industry-specific language lessons and exercise targeting common job roles or sectors. Utilize existing language learning platforms like Duolingo or Memrise to create and host your courses using their course creation tools. Offer subscription-based access to the platform with a focus on continuous learning and skill development for professionals in your target industries. Number 7. Home Organization Assistant. This app helps users manage household chores, grocery shopping, meal planning, and scheduling tasks for efficient home management. It could include features like task list, shopping list, meal planners, and reminders tailored to user preferences and routines. You can begin by developing a mobile app with a clean and intuitive interface using no-code platforms like Glide or Thunkable. Focus on essential features like task list and reminders, keeping the design simple and user-friendly. You can integrate with popular calendar and note-taking apps like Google Calendar and Evernote to enhance functionality and usability. Number 8. DIY Home Repair Guides. This subscription-based platform offers comprehensive DIY home repair guides, tutorials, and troubleshooting tips for common household maintenance issues. It could cover topics like plumbing, electrical work, carpentry, and appliance repair, catering to homeowners looking to save money on professional services. You can create a content library of DIY repair guides using written instructions, images, and videos. There are some helpful platforms like Teachable or Podia to host and monetize your courses, offering subscription-based access to the content. Collaborate with experienced DIY enthusiasts or home repair professionals to create high-quality tutorials and troubleshoot common issues faced by homeowners. Number 9. Fashion Styling AI. This AI-powered virtual stylist recommends personalized outfits based on users' preferences, body type, and occasions, incorporating clothing items from various brands and retailers. It could use machine learning algorithms to analyze users' style preferences and provide tailored recommendations over time. So, start by developing a basic fashion styling app with limited features using no-code platforms like Adalo or Glide. Utilize publicly available fashion datasets or APIs from clothing retailers to access product catalogs and images. You can implement basic recommendations algorithm based on user inputs like style preferences and body measurements. As your user base grows, refine your algorithms and explore partnerships with clothing brands for affiliate marketing opportunities. Number 10. Community-based skill exchange. This platform enables community members to exchange skills and services with each other, facilitating learning, networking, and collaboration within local neighborhoods or interest groups. It could include features like skill profiles, service listing, booking systems, and community forums. Begin by creating a web-based platform using website builders like WordPress or Wix, customizing it to include user profiles and service listings. You can integrate scheduling and messaging functionalities using tools like Calendly and Twilio to facilitate service bookings and communications between users. Focus on building a vibrant community by organizing local events, workshops, or skill sharing sessions to attract and engage users. Number 11. Mental Health Check-in app. This mobile app provides daily mental health check-ins, mood tracking, and resources for self-care practices, with optional prompts for mindfulness, exercise, and coping strategies. It aims to promote mental wellness and resilience through regular self-reflections and access to supportive resources. So, start by developing a basic mental health check-in app with a user-friendly interface using no-code platforms like Adalo or Glide. Utilize existing mode tracking libraries or APIs to implement mode logging features, allowing users to track their emotional states over time. You need to curate a library of mental health resources, including articles, videos, and guided meditation sessions, sourced from reputable organizations and mental health professionals. And finally, number 12. Green Living Track. This app helps individuals track their eco-friendly habits such as reducing carbon footprint, recycling efforts, and adopting sustainable lifestyle practices. With personalized tips and challenges, it aims to encourage environmentally conscious behaviors through goal setting, progress tracking, and community support. So you need to begin by developing a mobile app with the basic tracking features using no-code platforms like Glide or Thunkable, include simple input forms for users to log in their eco-friendly activities such as recycling, energy conservation, or sustainable shopping habits. Gamify the experience by adding challenges, badges, or rewards for achieving sustainability milestones. Partner with environmental organizations or eco-friendly brands to offer exclusive discount or incentives for users who demonstrate commitment to green living. And there you have it. Your incredible Micro SaaS idea is brimming with potential. From helping seniors stay fit to building community connections, the possibilities are endless. Remember, turning these ideas into reality doesn't have to be daunting. So start small, embrace creativity, and most importantly, listen to your audience. Who knows, your next big venture might just be one of these Microsoft gems. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep innovations, and keep making difference.